Wow, yes, my lady, it is a beautiful Thursday morning once again. Now, this video is all about West African fashions and styles. For today, I have for you the best, stunning, elegant style in this video for all Nigerians, Malians, Congos, every country in the West Africa, because these designs, they are dignifying elegant clothing for the real African queens to rock. Okay, because these designs they are designs that they are approaching a new weekend, and the new weekend starts from tomorrow. So please, ladies, check out this design because they are colorful and beautiful designs that you can screenshot and give to your fashion designers so that they can make these dresses for you. Once again, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit this notification bell for you to get more and latest updated designs for yourself. And kindly stay tuned, watch to the end and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.
City, baby. I remember when I was small, I say I want to be a big yellow. Now I'm growing old, I wanna know how to be in love with you. Doesn't matter where you're from, it should be love, no get conditional. When I see your face, every time my heart keeps racing. Oh, yeah, we're all what's a song. This love for the burn like fire. Together, I go stay with you, City Dollar. I could do me, City Dollar. I go stay with you, City Dollar. I could do me, City Dollar. For real, and I know that you see that in me. Take a look at this family tree. Oh boy, I love my gem memorial. Take me with you anywhere you go. When the night down you roll, hold me tight and don't let me go. Even when you can control, control. I go stay with you, City Dollar. I can do me, City Dollar.
Continue to watch the video, you can kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell for all updated videos. Thank you.
It's magic.
It's Park City, baby. I remember when I was small. I say I want to be a big yellow. Now I'm growing old. I wanna know how to be in love with you. Doesn't matter where you're from. It should be love, no gets conditional. When I see your face, every time my heart keeps racing. Oh, yeah, we're all. What's a song? This love would it burn like fire. Oh, I shoot, more. Follow me, we go there together. Oh, I go stay with you, sitting there. Back where do me, sitting there. Oh, I go stay with you, sitting there. Back where do me, sitting there. Oh. For real, and I know that you see that in me. Take a look at this family tree. Oh boy, I love my gem memory. Take me with you anywhere you go. Whether night down or you roll, hold me tight and don't let me go. Even when you can control, 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 yeah, control. I go stay with you, sitting down. I can do me, sitting down.
Well, my ladies, hope you are enjoying this video, because I still have more videos for you tomorrow, Saturday, next week, 2 weeks, next year for you to see, because now I have the latest and the prettiest design for you to trend. Okay, so fashionista, stand out anywhere you find yourself. Any events, occasions, I got you covered. You are the right channel. Thank you very much. Bye. Thanks for watching. You can click on this button to subscribe, and also click on this particular picture button to check more on our website. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
It's magic.